do a Japanese KitKat taste test. I'm a orangutan. Ooh, ooh. Holy shit. I purchased from Japan, legit Japan, like the actual Japan, the Japan of all Japans. I got like multi-packs. I got a little pack of how many in here. And then I have 2 little random ones. I don't even know. I just went crazy on Amazon and ordered a bunch. So let's get this Taste Test Tuesday going. So if you guys want to hit the subscribe button and hit my bell, girl. Hit my bell one more time. You'll be up to date with my crazy videos and it would make me absolutely happy. I've seen these on Amazon, like every time I go on there, they're recommended for me, so I thought it would be cool to do a video on this. Let's just get right into the video with this pack here that I saw, and it just looked adorable and I needed it. So most of these are all in Japanese and there isn't any lit English on here. This one here is Japanese KitKat luxury yogurt with double berry and almond. This was $11 Canadian, and girl, my lipstick is all over the place. I tried to like conceal it. Oh, see, it's like coming off everywhere. I can't. Ah! That smells so good. Individual wrapped. Oh, they're just one, little one. Perfect for a taste test. So this is what the individual ones look like. Oh my God. That smells so good. So there's almonds on top and it's probably strawberry and berries in the middle. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, it's like chewy. I don't think anything's gonna beat this. I'm not a nut fan, but that works so well together. Okay, next we're gonna try this. This pack here is the West Japan set. Kyoto, Uji Matcha, Uji Hoji. I don't even know. You guys are looking at it there, but I'm really excited to try these. Oh, cool, look, it's like a little book of them. Ah! I cannot read it though. So it looks like there's 3 of these, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so this first one looks like green tea, which if you're a follower of mine, you know that that's my favorite. Yeah, it is. I'm only gonna take a small bite because I already know. It's amazing. It's very strong green tea, so if you don't like green tea, you're not gonna like that. Really good. This next one, I think is like a tea. I don't know. What do you guys think that is? If anybody speaks Japanese, oh, a little piece fell off. It's very dark. It smells like tea. Oh, wow. Mmm. Yup. Okay, now we have a cookie, and I don't know what it's spelled with. That one would be Momiji Manju. I don't know what is it? Stressing out. Okay, it is like a pale brown, white. Oh! No, thank you. This smells like my grandma's sneakers. Nuh-uh. Not gonna happen. Oh. Okay, next one is promising. This one is strawberry. I just know it's strawberry. Oh, that smells like Nesquik. Was anyone else getting triggered that I'm not breaking them? Because that's like the signature KitKat thing is I'm just like biting them. Because I break rules. Okay, the last one in this little set is the cutest packaging of all time ever. Buy to anyone who's ever gonna create packaging. And this one is the Okinawa one right there, and I don't know what that is. It looks like a dessert. Oh my God, so cute. Look at this little lilac moment. It's sweet, but it's kind of like earthy at the same time. Whoa. It's like raisins. What is that? I taste potatoey. It's a raisin potato and we live for it. Okay, now I'm gonna try this little pack. This pack is Japanese Candy Ninja KitKat 16 pieces assortment with original sticker and packaging, $24. Oh, okay, so we have the individual ones here, which we've already tried that one first. Oh, yes, girl. Okay, this first one looks like fruit and like it's like cranberry almond. Yeah. Oh, it's like dark chocolate too. Okay, it's vibing with the first ones we tried. So it's not filled like the other ones were. It's just all on top with dark chocolate. It's good. Not as good as the first one. And then this one looks like cranberry almond raspberry matcha. This one's the party one. Oh, I smell matcha right away, but ooh, again, not filled. The flavors don't work. Down the hatch. Proud of myself. Okay, so now we're gonna try all of the rest of these. Okay, so the listing says mini bars, random pick from wide variety flavors such as green tea, dark chocolate, raspberry, etc. Limited edition flavors such as Yokohama strawberry cheesecake, Japanese sake, which isn't that alcohol, wasabi, no, not a wasabi KitKat, and purple yum. I think it might be purple yam. Wasabi KitKat. That sounds like a great idea. I realized that those other two that I got, just these two individual ones, are also in there, the assortment, so I don't need to try these ones because I'm gonna be trying them right there. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first one looks like tea, and the only thing I can read is Amazaki. Is this the sake one? You know, it kind of seems like it's the sake one, which to me, isn't that Japanese alcohol? We will find out and I will let you know. Yeah. Oh, holy, I have to drive after this. This is gonna put me over the edge. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the, is it ledge or edge? Push me to the ledge and edge. It smells exactly like alcohol and chocolate. That's really strong. I hate it. I swallowed it though. Not my cup of sake. It's very strong. Okay, but it's not that bad. I don't really like the taste of alcohol. That's why when I drink, I do like shots. Like I just do shots to get it down. I'm not gonna be like, ooh, this tastes so good. Like I don't like the taste of alcohol. I like drinking things that taste like cake, not rubbing alcohol. This one here is green. And it says Easter break. Okay, the bunny's holding like a wine glass, so I hope this one isn't another wine one. I hope it's like Easter egg candy, like just so sweet that I can't even breathe. It smells like bubble gum, like cotton candy. Or something in the middle. Okay, I don't know what it is, but it's good. It's like chewy, like brown chewy in the middle. I don't know what it is. It's like chocolatey, but like, I wanna say like raisin flavor again. That's what I taste. I like it. Okay, wait. The single ones that I have, this one is more of like a gold, and he's not holding a champagne glass. It's another drink, but it's like a party drink. So I feel like it's different, so we're just gonna try it. This smells like a more intense bubble gum. I feel like it's the same. This one actually tastes like bubble gum. Weird. Yum. Okay, this one here is like fucking wine again. Smells so good. It smells like raisins. It's like jam. I'm jamming this. Oh, my lipstick. Okay. This one is the one that scares me. I don't know what it is. It's called hand talk. That's all I can read. And it's like a witch going like this. Like push me to the ledge. All my friends are dead. I don't know. And there's like a bat on it. So it's Halloween maybe? I think it's candy corn. It's candy corn. No, is it? I don't know what the hell. This one's my favorite one so far. It's kind of like licoricey. And your girl loves licorice. Hand talk, so what am I supposed to do with this and eat it? I can't. Okay, this next one here we've already tried, and it's the like tea one. Now this one I feel like is the wasabi one. Just by the looks of it, it is. Like I know it is. Nothing good is gonna look like that in a KitKat. Oh my god. Holy mother. That's wasabi, 100%. It looks like this. It's the cutest color. No, thank you. No, sir. Okay, now we just have a black one, and I wish I could read it, but it's just a black KitKat. I feel like it's like, do not enter. You know what? It's probably just dark chocolate. Yep. Oh, shit. Oh. I wish you had this. It's mine, though. The next one is the strawberry KitKat, which we've already tried. The next one, which is just an all green one. So if that all black one was dark chocolate, this one is probably matcha? Yeah, this is just the green tea KitKat, so we've already tried that. This next one is, again, just green with writing. I feel like everything's matcha. Yeah, it's matcha again. They're all matcha. And then the next one I've already tried. It's a matcha as well. And then the very last one, no, there's the second last one in the assorted, is this, I think this might just be original. Oh, no, it's not. This one is that, like, strawberry cheesecake thing I just read. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my god, this is definitely that strawberry one. I feel like it's actual pieces of little strawberries in it. Do you see that there? They're like right on top, little dots there. They're like explode, little mini sour, sweet explosions in your mouth. I can just smell that wasabi KitKat over here and I'm gonna puke. Right, so the very last KitKat in the assorted is this one, and I swear to goodness that this one is the one that I already bought the pack of because it really looks like identical of, so we're not gonna try that one, we're gonna keep that one and just move on to this bag of KitKats that I bought. And this one is called the Japanese KitKat Mini To Bake series, 2017 ice cream flavor, 13 pieces. So this came out in 2017 and these were $10. Guys, when I saw these and they were to bake KitKats, you're gonna bake KitKats? Canada sucks! Gotta get my passport updated and I'm getting out of here. Just kidding, just for KitKats. Could you imagine? That'd be totally me. And on the back there, I can't read, but I think it says bake it in the oven, bake it in a toaster oven, or freeze them. And I don't like frozen things, like that's not really me. And I do not have a toaster oven, so I am going to bake these. I've just set my oven for like 350 because that seems like a pretty common, yeah. Let's just go. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Side note, if you guys want to see vlogs, because this is kind of how we vlog, our vlog channel is listed in the description box down below. I'm also gonna get Dalton to try the sake and wasabi KitKats on the vlog channel, so go. I'm just getting a little pan. I'm gonna put down some foil. Oh my god, this smells like pure vanilla, like vanilla custard. Actually kind of yogurty, like vanilla yogurt. Yum! Look at this KitKat. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna put that one directly on there. Put it right in the middle. So this is what it looks like before. Let's plop it in. Okay, so this is what it looks like after. I'm just gonna let it cool. It kind of looks like a s'more. Okay, so this is how it turned out. Still a little bit warm, so I'm gonna break it in half like a KitKat. It smells and looks like a s'more. Oh my god. This has changed the KitKat game. The bottom is like caramelized and it's really crunchy. And the top, I gotta kind of put mine back together. I don't know, mine fell off. Sweet and crunchy. It's so good. And like warm. So now I'm curious, can you do that with any KitKat bacon? So I just did 350 and I baked it for about 5-6 minutes. That one hands down is my favorite. That one is amazing. My second favorite one is the Halloween looking shake hand one. The least favorite one I would say would be the wasabi, is in the dead last. Like, ugh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I encourage you guys to try something new on this Tuesday. Whatever that might be, it might be some alcohol KitKats. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye.